Hi, hello, mabuhay everyone. My name is Clarence Zulaca from BSN English 4E, and in this video, I will be your demo teacher. Good morning, class. Okay, can someone from the class lead the prayer? Okay, Cyril, please lead the prayer. Everyone, please stand up. Once again, good morning. My name is Clara Zulaca and I will be your English teacher for today. So for your attendance, I will call your name and say present if you are here. Okay, since everyone is present, we'll now start our class. Our topic for today is all about parts of the news article. But before that, let me first read to you our learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify the 5 essential parts of a news article: the headline, byline, and placeline, lead, body, and additional information. B. To analyze the importance of the inverted pyramid structure and in conveying information efficiently. And construct a short news lead that answers the 5 W's and 1 H based on the given scenario. And before we proceed with our discussion, let's have an activity first. This activity is called the Jumbled Journalist. So who among you watches TV news? Okay, very good. How about reading a news article or newspaper? So in this activity, I will divide the class into 3 groups. Each group will receive an envelope containing a jumbled news story cut into strips. You must race to arrange the strips in order to reconstruct this storyline. Okay, understood? So for this activity, you have 5 minutes to work collaboratively. So as soon as your group is finished, perform a creative club to show that you are done. Did you get it, class? Okay. So here's our sample news article. Okay, let's check your work. Class, did you all get the correct answers? Very good. Okay, for our next activity with the same groups, I will give you another set of envelopes containing the different parts of a news article. So your task is to paste each part onto its correct label on the board. Did you get it, class? Okay, now that you are done, what specific clues in the text help you identify and label each part of the news article correctly? Based on the activity we had, from all the parts of the news article, what caught your eye first? So which part gave you the most information in the shortest amount of time? Follow-up question. What happens to the level of the details as you move toward the end of the story? Okay, very good. Okay, good job, class. So as you can see, there are 5 parts of the news article. So first, we have the headline. So this is the hook or a short attention-grabbing statement. Next is the byline or the placeline. It identifies the author and the location of the event. The next one is the lead paragraph. So this is the most critical part because it must answers the 5 W's. The who, what, when, where, why, and the 1 H, which is the how. And the next is the body paragraphs, or we call it explanation. It provides the meat of the story, including background details and direct quotes. Last part, we have the additional information, or we call it the tail. So this is the tail of the article. It contains the least important facts that can be trimmed if spaces is limited. So the key concept here is the article is written so that if a reader only reads the first two paragraphs, they still understand the main event. So for our last final activity is called flash news writing. So working with a partner. So your task is to compose a headline and a 2 to 3 lead paragraph based on these raw facts. We have the WHO, grade 10 students, what won the National Science Quiz B, and the where Manila Convention Center, then when yesterday at 2 p.m. and why they developed a plastic eating enzyme. Okay, for 10 minutes, you can now work with your partner. Okay, please pass your paper. This time, let's have a short quiz. Please get 1/4 sheet of paper and write your name. So here's our identification short quiz. Okay, that's it for today, class. Please pass your paper. Okay, for your homework, please find the news article online or in a newspaper. Place it on a sheet of paper and label the 5 parts discussed in the class. Highlight the lead paragraph in yellow. Okay, did you get it, class? Very good. So that's it for today's class. See you at our next meeting. Thank you and goodbye. And that is my presentation for my detailed lesson plan in English grade 10. Thank you for watching.